Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about the combined effect of more than one markup or discount. So the first problem, it says Kevin is looking for the best deal on a TV, $39. Help him compare the price of the television at two different stores by completing the following. Kevin goes to a superstore that marks up the television's wholesale price 60% for the television at this store. Okay, so if it marks up by 60%, that's 60% more than 100%. Okay, so dollars. Okay, and you're going to have 100% of that plus another 60% of that. Okay, to be 639 times 1 plus 0.60, which is equal to 639, 160% of 639. Okay, if you put that into your calculator and multiply, you will get 1,022. Okay, so we know how much Kevin's going to spend at the superstore. Let's see the next one. Kevin then looks at a television in a department store that marks up the television, but because of customer loyalty program, he would receive 10% discount off the in-store price. Ignoring tax, how much would he pay? Figure out what it would cost after the 70% markup. Then we can take 10% off of that number. Okay, so the 70% markup is going to be done exactly $139 times 100% plus 70%, which is equal to $639.70, which is $639 times 1.7, or 1.70 if you want to write it. That number in your calculator, you get $1,086.30. Okay, so that's after the 70% markup. But then so if it's a discount, that means it's less than 100%. So we take the 1,086.3 that by 100% minus 10%. Okay, because it's 10% off. You're saving money here. So that'll end up being 1,086.3 times 1 minus 0.10, which is 1,080 times 0.9. So it's 90% of what you originally paid. Okay, and that will give you, if you do that in your calculator, $977.60. Okay, so which one was better? Okay, it looks like the department store, even though they marked it up, his discount made the price come down less than the superstore. Okay, let's look at the next one. So Donna is looking for the best deal of golf clubs that has a wholesale price of $429. Help her compare the price of the golf clubs in different situations by completing the following. Donna can buy the golf clubs from a distributor that does direct to customer sales. When selling directly to individual customer, this distributor marks up the wholesale price 60%. Ignoring tax, how much would she pay? Same as the other one. You've got $429, and you're going to do 100% plus 60%. We'll go ahead and write it as a decimal straight off the bat this time. 1 plus 0.60. Okay, that's 1%. So that's $429 times 1.6. Okay, you put that in your calculator, and you get $686.40. Okay, now let's look at the second one. Donna can also go to a pro shop that she knows has golf clubs. This pro shop gets them from a distributor who marks them up 20%. Then the pro shop marks them up by an additional 40%. Ignoring tax, how much would she pay? Okay, so we'll do it this kind of the same way we did the last one. We'll start with the 429 and do the first markup, which is 20%. Okay, so that's 100% plus 20%. So that's 429 times 1.2. Okay, if you put that in your calculator, you get 514.8. Okay, so after the 20% markup, it now costs $514. Then you take the 514 and they mark that up again 40%. So 514 times 1 plus, because it's up, right? Marking up. Okay, so that's 514 times 1.4. And if you put that in your calculator, you get $720.72. Okay, so we can see that this one is cheaper. So directly from the distributor is cheaper than going to the pro shop.